Hello dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss a topic from your English textbook. This is actually a story regarding the thanklessness. The name of the story is The Unthankful Man. This story is about a poor Brahman whose name is Raman. Raman, who lived on the outskirts of a small town, he was so poor that he and his wife had to remain hungry for days. His wife was fed up with their poverty, so Raman decided to go to a nearby town to look for a job. He passed through a village and stopped to rest and eat and heard some voices coming from the well. When he heard some voices coming from the well, he peeped into the well and saw a tiger, a monkey, and a snake and a man in the well. The tiger begged the Brahman to take. This Brahman was actually Raman. The tiger begged the Brahman to take out of the well to take out him out of the well. He told him that he would never eat him. So there was a contract between Raman and a tiger that tiger will never eat him if Raman take him out of the well. Raman took pity on the tiger and dragged him out of it. The tiger thanked Raman and promised that he should come to his cave whenever he needed his help. The tiger then walked away. Now the monkey called Raman for help. The monkey was pulled out by Raman. The monkey vowed to help Raman in the hour of need. The monkey told Raman not to take the man out of the well because he was an ungrateful creature. The now it was turn of a snake to call for help. Raman took mercy on the serpent and pulled him out of the well. The snake also thanked him for his offer to help him out. He also warned Raman against pulling out the man because of his ungratefulness, unthankfulness. Both, all the three animals, tiger, monkey, and the snake, warned Raman not to pull or take him out from the well because he was ungrateful. But Raman, the poor Brahman, the pious man, he took pity on the man, and at last, this man, when he called out for help, Raman pulled him out of the well. The man told him he was a goldsmith from Varanasi, and he vowed to support him in the hour of need. Raman did not find a job in the city and wanted to move back home. He felt hungry in the forest, and he remembered the monkey. The monkey brought sweet and juicy mangoes for him, and Raman thanked him and went to the tiger cave. The tiger had given him a necklace to indicate that the necklace had been given to him by a prince whose life he had saved. Raman was very pleased to receive the necklace. He called the goldsmith and went to see him. The goldsmith recognized the necklace and reported to the king. He advised the king that the prince may have been killed by Raman. Raman has been arrested. Now he recalled what the animals had told him of the ungrateful man. Raman now remembered the snake and called out to him. Snake emerged and Raman told him what had happened to him. The snake had come up with a strategy. He told Raman that he was going to bite the queen and only his touch was going to cure her. The snake bit the queen. She felt unconscious about it. The king announced that he would reward the person who cured the queen beautifully. Raman offered to assist the queen with that. He kissed the queen's forehead and she opened her eyes. The king was satisfied with the Raman. Raman narrated him the whole story. The king got angry when he told him the whole story. The king was furious with the goldsmith who told him the lie and betrayed the man who had helped him. The goldsmith was put in jail. The king gave Raman a handful gold coins. Raman went to him home and lived happily ever after. So in this lesson, we understand that we must remain always thankful, and we thank always everybody for their kindness. So after completing this lesson, there are questions. I have shared the PDF file in the WhatsApp group, so you should write down those questions on your notebook. Thanks. Have a nice day.